you have to write in the way for the mechanics to be able to do the work. Okay, what the mechanic expected to see? First, he expected to see inspection. Inspection requirement detail. 1, clean damage area. Okay. You can use your manual to get the detail. I'm just giving you some brief explanation on how to write it. Clean the damage area. Okay. Carry out quotes. Okay. Clean. Cut off. Mesh. Sorry. Clean the damage. Inspect and determine end of the crack. Propagate the puncture. To inspect, you cut off the damage. Then after you do that, you cut. Then you check again. Inspect. Whether any cracks remaining. On. Okay, we on the cut. Inspect. Clean, inspect, cut off, inspect whether any crack. Okay, next step is fabrication. Fabricate the doubler. Size by the cutout. So the mechanic has to calculate what is the best dimension. So that's why you don't specify, because whatever you specify may not be accurate. So let them do it and let they cut according to the inspection. Also, let's do fabricate the doubler according to the size of the cut. We cannot specify, and if you specify, they really cut to the size that we specified. It may not be fit. So you have to put like trial in situ. They have to cut it. They have to fabricate the doubler based on the cut. After fabricate, install. Installation. Then, okay. Uh, they call it fair. Fair seal is the word they use. Seal surface of the doubler. So mean that they lump the sealant to the doubler and install this in place. Place the doubler appropriately. Okay. deep rivets into sealant. Okay, install the doubler. Sometimes they call it wet install because all the sealant will be there. So we install the doubler. Okay. We do the riveting. After you do the inspection, fabrication, installation. Once installed, and you may need to do inspection. This inspection is after the aircraft in service. It's not to repair. Obviously, you need inspection. So maybe carry out inspection at C check, for example. Okay, carry out inspection at C check. So what you need to do is why we need to do this, because the repair that you do not necessarily will will not solve the problem, and you still having a problem because as you put in more fastener hole, you increase stresses. You increase stress on the area, and the stress is cause uh, fatigue failure or cause the premature failure of the repair. So that is how you write the inspection procedure. So this is in the test, final exam, and this also in the assignment. So that is the basic uh, idea of is writing the instruction. However, during my work with the aircraft, I go refer to every number, every line to the structure repair manual. There's already standard requirement how to wet install, how to dip the rivet into sealant. There's already standard practices somewhere in the structure repair manual. You can refer dip the rivets into sealants, blah blah blah, and there's some reference number you can put in there.